guys, this printer is HP Deskjet 2710. I want to show you how to print document from your Android phone to HP printer. The rules here, you need to make sure that the printer and the mobile device both are connected to the same network. So you can print your document from HP printers in two ways. You can print it using HP Smart App or HP. You select your document and look for HP print service. Okay, so what we need to do is, first of all, we need to look for the document you want. Go to your files. So once you go to the file, select document. Okay, and this is the document. Click it open, the document you want to print out. Okay, so these are the document I want to print out. Okay, then select three dots at the end. Okay, once you select the three dots at the end, it gives you the option. You will see page sorter, page view, full screen, add, or print. Select print. Once you select print, okay, you will scroll down to select the print tab. You can see HP Deskjet 2700 series is available. Select on it and you wait for the printer to be ready. And here we go, the printer is ready. Okay, now you can print this document. If there's any other thing, you can select the image tab. You scroll how many copies, select the copies, how many copies you want to print. Okay, you can also select the color. So if you want to select more than 2 copies, then you use cancel and change the number of copies. It's 2 now. Okay, now if you want to select the color, if you want to copy this document black and white, then you change it to black and white. Okay, two-sided. This printer haven't got option for you to print two-sided. It's showing us none. Now also paper size is A4. Orientation, okay, so use the sign arrow, select orientation, can change it to portrait or landscape. Is in portrait. And page size, so if you want to print all page 2, you select or page length to select a specific page you want. And once you've done that, move this up, then select print. Okay, use HP print service plugin, click OK. Here we go. So this document now is printing. This is the first one. Okay, remember we selected to print these 2. Okay, this is the first one for this, and this is the second one. Okay, so the last is what is printing. And we select to print this black. So if you want to print its color, then you need to change the color as well. Here we go. So this is the document we printed out. Okay, in this format, black and white, 2 pages each. Now I want to show you another way to print a document. Okay, is for you to go to HP Smart App. So go to HP Smart App. So go to Play Store, type HP Smart App, click it open. Okay, this is HP Smart App. Click it open, and it's opening up. Okay, and Now the next thing you need to do is, once it's open, now you go to print document, select print document. Okay, once you select print document, then you decide if it's photo you want to print or PDF. PDF usually for document. Okay, so select PDF. Now it will take you to file for the document you want to print out. So then you go to select download, go to document. Okay, go to downloads, select the document. This is for instance. Okay, so this is the document, save my file. So select print. Okay, and you select the color to black and white or color, how many copies you want to print this copy, and paper size A4, orientation. If you can select more for any other thing, changing, make for automatic for quality, can select automatic for quality or select the best or normal. Okay, now scaling, fit to page or fill page. Now once you select, if it's photo you want to print, then you need to select photo. Then you go back and select print. And this document now is printing out. Okay, so this document you printed out colored. Okay, if you want to print it black, only what you need to do, select the setting print. Then once it's processing, then change the color to black and white, and how many copies you want to. Okay, select 2 or more, so you can add as many copies you want. Okay, so you can add as many. So at the moment I want, for instance, if you want to print 2, you select, use up, plus and minus to decrease, to add or decrease the number. Okay, so let's say to print 2 copies and the paper size is A4. So select the sentence. If you want automatic or best quality or landscape, you select automatic or change it to landscape. So you can select portrait as well or landscape. You can see this is landscape, this is portrait, or you can select it to automatic. Okay, and select print. So this document now is going to print out in black. Okay, you can see it's in black and white, and initially we printed this out in colored. Okay, and now we printed it out in black and white. Here we go. We printed it 2 pages. Okay, 2 pages, 2 copies. Okay, and this one we printed this one 1 copy colored. We printed this one 2 copies black and white. So this is how to print a document from this printer in 2 formats, in 2 ways. If you're happy with this process, this is using Android. If you're happy with it, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, I want to show you how to print from your computer to HP printer. I received question, people asking how to print from computer to HP printer. You need to make sure the rules here, there are 2 ways to do this, but you need to go to your file. Okay, and go to documents, any file you want to print out. So I'm just gonna look for any particular document I want to print out. Okay, this is the document I have here on my file that I want us to print out, for instance. Okay, to print this document out, you need to select print. Okay, Now select print. Once you select print, okay, now you need to look for available printer. Okay, then you look available printer. So HP Smart Printing is ready. Select on it, okay, and select print. Okay, now available printer ready here is HP 2700 series. Okay, select HP 2700 series, select print. So this document now is printed from here. Okay, so this is the document, okay, we printed out. Now I want to show you another way. Okay, the second way for you to print a document using this printer is for you to print a document using HP Smart App. Okay, we'll close this document. Okay, go to HP Smart App, download HP Smart App on your printer. Okay, HP Smart App, and this printer is, okay, this is HP Smart App. Okay, and we need to look for this printer, make sure it's ready. This is the printer HP Deskjet 2700 series, and it's ready. Okay, now what you need to do is select, okay, print documents here. Okay, supported file type, HP Smart App currently supported PDF file. Okay, HP Smart App currently supported printing of PDF documents. Okay, click OK. Okay, now it takes you for you to go and look to the document and look for the document you want to print out. Okay, so this is the document. I have a document here that I want to print it out. Okay, select document. Okay, and this is the document. It's getting ready. Now this is the document we have here, this first and second, so two documents we got here. Okay, and it's in black color. You can select more option for you to change it to print it in colored. Okay, select to print this in colored. Okay, and normal delivery, so it can change. Okay, paper type is A4 paper. Okay, select OK. Okay, select print. So this document now is then also select print from the HP Deskjet 2700 series, select print. So this document now is printed from here. So these are the two ways you can print from your laptop, okay, to HP printer. So either you go to the document, you save and add it to this printer, or from HP Smart App, go to print document. It will take you okay. So this is how to print, and the job is completed. Okay, so this is how to print document from computer, and the printer is ready. How to print document from the computer to the printer. Okay, and in two ways. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This document initially was scanned in black color. Okay, so if you scan this document, it was scanned in black color, and this is the reason why it printed out black. Okay, if you scan the document in colored, then it will print out in colored. Okay, thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.